This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Open Settings and go straight to Face ID and Passcode on iPhone or System Settings Touch ID and Passcode on Mac. Make sure the device is charged and connected to Wi-Fi. This prevents interruptions. If you've signed out of Apple ID, sign back in. Your passcode changes may sync. Enter your current passcode when prompted, because the system must verify you before allowing any change. Once verified, you'll see options to change, turn off, or set a new passcode. Once you tap Change Passcode, the device asks for your existing code. Enter it to authenticate. Next, pick the passcode type. 6-digit is common, but you can choose a custom numeric or alphanumeric code for stronger security. Type the new passcode slowly, pause between entries to avoid errors, and confirm it when prompted. If the device offers Face ID or Touch ID, enable it now to speed unlocking while keeping the passcode as fallback. Remember, stronger passcodes reduce brute force risk. After confirmation, lock your device and test unlocking to ensure the new passcode works. Make sure iCloud Keychain and trusted devices reflect the change so apps and services keep functioning. If you can't remember the passcode later, don't panic. Try Apple ID account recovery or use Finder/recovery mode to erase and restore the device. This requires your Apple ID credentials. If something goes wrong, reboot and try again. If still stuck, contact Apple support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.